Hello, today I'm going to show you the working brake system of your Mazda CX-5. There are so many good things on your car, like the brake system. Here is the brake system. Yeah, we have 4 of them. We can use them by pushing the brake pedal in the center. This is the foot brake. The vehicle has power-assisted brakes that adjust automatically through normal use. Then you can brake your car by using that brake system. The brake system itself works with a liquid. This liquid presses, or you will press on the brake with your brake pedal, and this will push this liquid into a cylinder on your calipers, and this calipers cylinders presses itself on top of the brake or on the brake pads, and the brake pads on the brake disc. This will brakes your car. Wow, it's really cool. And you have an electric parking brake. The EPB equipment applies the parking brakes using electric motor. When the EPB is applied, the EPB switch indicator lights turn on. That means if you finished your journey, switch off your engine and then pull the EPB, electronic parking brake. This will hold your car in position, and this is safer to park your car. The EPB is automatically enabled if you start the engine. Then you have to, if you start the engine, you have to push the clutch and the braking pad itself. And what you are going to do is release electric parking brake by pushing the electric parking brake button down. The indicator lights will switch off. Then you are able to drive the car. Here in red you can see the calipers, and this calipers presses the brake pads onto the brake disc. This will brake your car. This is the foot brake. Additional is electronic parking brake. That means you have the parking brake standard way plus an electronic working motor on it. And here you can see now the indicator is on. That means the parking brake is enabled. Autohold is another awesome thing. This is additionally. Here you can see if I am pushing the brake pedal, I can release the parking brake by pushing the button. Pull means enable the parking brake. Push on the button means disable the parking brake. If you are going to disable the parking brake, then you have to push the brake pedal. Okay? It's really easy, as you can see. This is the manual release. And there is an automatic release function. If the accelerator pedal is depressed with the EPB applied and all conditions are met, the parking brake released automatically. The engine is running, the driver's door is closed, and the driver's seatbelt is fastened. Then, if you have a manual transaxle, the change lever is in position other than neutral. The clutch pedal is depressed halfway. Then, the EPB will automatic release. If you have an automatic transaxle, select the lever is in DM or R position, job's done. Then the EPB will automatic release if you start driving. Really awesome, isn't it? If you hear a noise comes out of your caliper area, then it's time to replace the brake pads. You have a brake assist if you have it in your car, of course. During emergency braking situation, when it's necessary to press the brake pedal with great force, the brake assist system provides braking assistance. This enhancing braking performance. This I like really much. It's an awesome thing. And there's more. Auto hold. The auto hold function automatically holds the vehicle stopped even if we take our foot off the brake pedal. This function can be best used while spotted in traffic or a traffic light. The brakes are released when we resume driving the vehicle, such as by releasing the clutch pedal with a shift lever to a position other than neutral position, of course. That means if you have the automatic brake system, EPB, then it comes with the automatic release function. But additionally, there is an auto hold function, and this will get you more stuff to hold your car in position. The auto hold function is not the same like the brake assist or the automatic release of the brake of the parking brake. The automatic release of the parking brake is once. The auto hold function, this is all day long if you enable the auto hold button. The auto hold button is near the EPB button. It's under it. And if you push this button, you will have there an information too. It's an LED indicator. And if you are in auto hold function, there is an information in your cluster. Yeah. Always apply the electric parking brake when parking the vehicle. This is really important. And the auto hold system is turned on if you are pressed the auto hold switch and when the auto hold standby indicator light turns on. The auto hold function turns on and gives you an information in front of you. When all conditions are met, the auto hold standby indicator lights turn on. When auto switch is pressed and the auto hold function turns on. You have to switch on the condition. Engine running or stop by I-stop. The driver's seatbelt is fastened, the driver's door is closed, and there is no problem with the auto hold function. The operator auto hold and hold brakes. They press the brake pedal and bring the vehicle to complete stop. That means the auto hold function will works all your journey. The park brake is only once. Auto hold. Active indicator lights in the instrument cluster turns on and the brakes are held. You can see auto hold LED on. We are in auto hold function. It's possible to use. The vehicle is held in, it's stopped. If you see this green hold in the cluster in front of you. Now it's the same like the parking brake. This is auto hold. And if you're shift to G1, release the clutch, and you are going to drive, no problem. Auto hold will automatically release you. This is the same in start, stop, automatic, I stop, etc. If you like to turn it off, press the auto hold switch and turn the auto hold function off. The standby indicator lights will turn off, of course. And then it's gone. No auto hold function. Then you have an emergency stop signal system. The Mazda is equipped with an emergency stop signal system that is designed to determine whether we are depressing the brake pedal with greater force than during normal braking, such as in a situation requiring emergency braking. If the system determines that such a situation is occurring, it flashes all the direction indicators rapidly to caution the driver of the vehicle following behind our vehicle of the sudden braking situation. The system is cancelled when the brake pedal is released or the system determines that the brake pedal is no longer heavily depressed based on the rate at which the vehicle speed decreases. Awesome thing. And there's more. Hill Launch Assist, HLA. This is a function which assists the driver in accelerating from a stop while on a slope. When the driver releases the brake pedal and depresses the accelerator pedal while on a slope, the function prevents the vehicle from rolling. The braking force is maintained automatically after the brake pedal is released on a steep grade. For vehicle with a manual transaxle, like here, the HLR operates on a down hard slope when the shift lever is in reverse position, and on an upward slope when the shift lever is in position or then other than the reverse position. And with automatic transaxle, HLA operates on a downward slope when the selector lever is in R or in another position. And this will hold your car only in position for about 3 seconds. That means the Hill Launch Assist is immediately on if you remove or release the brake pedal, and of course your parking brake is off and your auto hold function is off. Then the Hill Launch Assist will assist you in this situation, but only for 2 seconds. After these 2 seconds, the brake pedal is released and you are free. Wow. And there's more. Anti-lock brake system. The ABS controls unit continuously monitors the speed of each wheel. If one wheel is about to lock up, the ABS responds by automatically releasing and replaning that wheel's brake. The driver will feel a slight vibration in the brake pedal and may hear a chattering noise from the brake system. This is normal ABS system operation. Continue to press the brake pedal without pumping the brakes. And of course, the warning lights turns on when the system has a malfunction. And these are all awesome assistance and security systems on your Mazda, which helps you to have a good journey, to have a really safe drive out there. I like it really much, and I hope you too. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.